Welcome to the fastest way to learn data structures and algorithms with this premium revision material. Today we are mastering LeetCode 6. Zigzag Conversion. This is a classic string manipulation problem that tests your ability to simulate complex patterns, a favorite for screening rounds at companies like Microsoft and Amazon. Let us look at the problem statement. We are given a string and a number of rows. We need to write the string in a zigzag pattern and then read it row by row to produce a final result. Imagine the characters are being placed on a grid, starting from the top, moving all the way down, then bouncing back up diagonally, and repeating. Think of it like a shuttle in a loom, moving back and forth across the threads. As the shuttle moves, it leaves a trail of color. Our characters are that trail, and the rows are our threads. We just need to know when to change direction. Now, let us dive into the strategy. The golden rule here is direction toggling. We maintain a list of strings, one for each row. We iterate through the input string, adding each character to the current row. But here is the key: we flip our direction whenever we hit the top or bottom row. Let us see this in action with a dry run. Look at the screen. Our string is POIPLISHIRING, and we have 3 rows. We start at row 0 with P, move down to row 1 and place A, move down to row 2 and place Y. Now, we have hit the bottom. We flip direction and move back up. Row 1 gets P, and row 0 gets A. We have hit the top. Flip again. Row 1 gets L, row 2 gets I. Watch carefully as the characters fill up the rows in this zigzag motion. By the time we finish, each row holds a piece of the puzzle. Finally, we simply join the strings from each row, and there is our answer. Looking at the code, it is surprisingly elegant. We initialize an array of empty strings for our rows. We use a variable current row to keep track of where we are, and a going down boolean to control the bounce. The logic is simple: if we are at row 0 or the last row, we flip the boolean. Then, we update the current row based on the direction. Looking at the complexity, the time complexity is O of n, where n is the length of the string, because we visit each character exactly once. The space complexity is also O of n, since we store all characters in our row-based strings. And that is Zigzag Conversion mastered. Save this video for your next technical interview, and follow Leo Academy for more 10x Premium DSA guides.